So what is your view? So we are going to start from you.
Okay, so shall I start?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. So okay, so yeah. Actually, see the if it is attendance, right, and we are talking about the student, so I can include that the school students as well as the college students, right? Because see, there are the two factors, right?
Yes.
As
Yes.
see, Nitin, could you please? Yeah, okay, okay, fine. Okay, so see, there are the two type of the students. One is the school students and as well as the college students, right? So, see, if you are in a school, so my first question would be the how you will get a discipline, consistency, regularity, punctuality, and there are the so many other things are. So it's until and unless you don't experience it, you will not get such a thing like a discipline and all these things. So if you go to the school and then only you will be able to absorb these things what I told you now. So what I feel that there should be a the compulsory that attendance should be a compulsory now. Okay, but now there is other factor at but now because of this corona crisis or this pandemic, right? Now each students are doing the virtual classes, means they are sitting at home and then doing such a classes that can be a done now. Because, okay, that can be a done also. So now the thing is that once the school will be open or college will be open, so see now I talk about that if it is a school, so there should be a compulsory because it would be a very difficult uh, to maintain regularity, punctuality, discipline. Right at a home, yeah, as a responsible parent, we can teach our the children how to be a punctual, how to be a disciplined, and then there are the so many things. Now let me come to the college. If you are a college student, right? So now it depends, right? For example, if you are in a 12th and 12th means 10 plus 2 is very important because it's going to mold your life also because after that you'll have to choose the lot of things also means, you got my point. So suppose for example now if you choose the science faculty, so your dream would be the becoming a doctor, becoming the engineer, or to join any the IIT or anything, right? So here now again there are some different points also. Suppose for example now if it depends upon now these days I have observed that everyone instead of going to the college, all the students are going to the tuition. Okay, and you might aware about the tuition fees also. But for example, if I am a poor student, okay, then and I don't have that capability to pay the tuition fees. So here in my case, see if there is a no class, okay, then I will not able to attend because unnecessary I don't have the money to for the tuition fees. Okay, so here if the such a student and there is no class, then it would be a difficult for that particular student who is a very poor. So it going to make a difference now here. Okay, because see there are the and now these days everyone is enjoying what the tuitions also. They everyone depends upon the tuition. Okay, now what I feel that it depends upon if you are mature enough, right? If you are certain aim and desire to do what you want to do it, so you are not going to waste your time on the social media, YouTube, and there are other things also, playing games and these things. So it depends upon student to student. If the student is a college student, if he has someone has a certain aim, okay, so suppose if in a college the attendance is made compulsory, then it would be a difficult for those who's working from means who is doing a self study. Because see there are the guys even in my life I have seen that they don't go to the college, they depend upon their self study and only the tuitions. So and because of that they got the MBBS the seat in the MBBS, they got the seat in the engineering, they got the seat in the IIT. So I don't think so. Means the college as per the college student is concerned, there should not be attendance compulsory. But if it is a school, So there should be a attendance. Attendance, it must be a compulsory then. So that's it from the mind.
Okay, Bala Bhai, if you want to speak, then Bala Bhai, you can speak. Just on your mic, on your mic.
You're audible, sir.
Yes, yes.
Um, uh, in my point of view, uh, in school level, student should be attendance very must, because they will learn discipline and also other something. So attendance should only school level students. Okay, not necessary to college level students, because in basically we should know how we grow, how we respect to others. These are all learning only from the school side only, from our teachers side only. And also a particular timing we should follow, 9 to evening 4:45 times. So each everyone should be done in particular time. They are all knows many thing in small age. So small age, when we are putting in mind small age, it is help to lifelong. So in my point of view, these qualities required in schools. So attendance also must for school level students. Yes, I again I tell you, sir. That's all my points, sir.
Okay, okay. That is not issue. Nitin Bhai, what is your point on this topic? Attendance should be compulsory or not? Nitin Bhai.
Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, you
hello.
are audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So I totally agree with Samik Bhai and Bala Bhai as they mentioned that ki attendance should be compulsory at the particular age, because it gives us discipline, and that follows in the future. And it is very I think it is very it should be very compulsory, because if we have that kind of discipline, we can have a good future. If you start bunk classes, and we are not going regularly to the school level, so we will not go to the we will not go to the college level also regular, right? So that's why it's very important to give respect to the school level, and it will be helpful to our college level, right? So I think at least up to 12th class, we need to be very regular. After 12th, if after 12th, if we go to the college level, okay, so I think 50%, 60% attendance, it is not bad, right? Means my point is up to at least 12th class we should be regular. That will be good for the future. That's my point.
Okay, Nitin Bhai, I think Samik Bhai and Samik Bhai, sorry, Amit Bhai and Bala Bhai and you also cover a lot of point regarding the attendance. But you know, just I am talking in concern of UGC. UGC means University Grad Commission. You know, UGC also say that there should be minimum 75% attendance required to appear in any examination. That is a basic, standard criteria for every university and every college. Totally depend upon university and college if they are following the rules or not, but it is mandatory. Okay, there should be 75% attendance of every student, then he or she can be appear in the examination. And mostly university in India are also following the same concept. But now when we are talking about attendance, I am totally agree with Amit Bhai, Bala Bhai and Nitin Bhai also. Yes, till 12, that should be mandatory. Means at least if a student is going to maintain near about 75 to 80% attendance, that is very enough, because in this time student learn something, and that is very beneficial in future also. But when we are talking about college level, actually I am in favor of that ki at least suppose I am doing BBA, so there is 6 semester, means at least till 5 semester there should be a condition ki yes, you have to appear in the class, because in class basically we are getting some knowledge. And suppose if we are not attending the class, then how we can get knowledge? Okay, in last semester or in last year you can give relaxation to student because they are searching some job, they are doing some project, so that is okay, that is also understandable. As you know, what happened in course of BTech, I have seen in fourth year, generally university, don't care about their attendance, they just focus on the making project and searching the job. So I think that is okay in last semester. But before last semester, I think there should be attendance, because we are attending the university and college only for gaining knowledge. And if you are not attending the college, then how we can get knowledge? So I think for getting knowledge, attendance should be compulsory. Okay, Amit bhai, we have Sikha and Devi. Sikha, if you want to speak something, then you can speak on the topic. Otherwise, you are moving towards Devi bhai. Sikha, okay. Yes, Sikha.
Yes, sir, I am not prepared. It's my first day.
Devi bhai.
Yeah, hi all.
Yes.
So I missed around 50% of the topics. So discussion is that attendance is mandatory in institution, right?
Actually, you are
Colleges.
late. You are late in this class. That is not okay.
Okay.
Let me tell you in a short. See, if you are a student, means up to the 10th, right? So the attendance should be a compulsory. But if you are in a college, so there should not be attendance.
Yeah, I support attendance should be mandatory in wherever you go, because
Hmm.
in office they will make mandatory in office, even though they're checking our work and all, how they are productive or not. Even though they understand like we are working on these things and all because of our inputs on productivity, but still they're doing mandatory, means 9 hours. So why not in colleges? Definitely, it is our stepping stone for our all the base. It is base for our success. So definitely, it is required for so attendance, at least for the sake of attendance only, they will maintain time sense, and at least they will be obedient for that. Otherwise it will like no one will be care about that. Even college is also very important. Even the school in every student's life, colleges and school, most of the things are very very important, because that is the in colleges most of the people will shape their nature or shape their skills wherever they want to go, or they will divert wherever their skill is required or wherever their skill is matching. In school level everyone are same. So definitely the wherever the institution or wherever you go, the attendance should be mandatory, and I support also. Otherwise even the student will be not interested. Why they will need to study? Because no attendance, right? That will come to their mind. So I should support. Definitely I will support, because I was a obedient student. So I was maintaining I was maintaining 90% of the students, so I was doing that. So why should now generation, my kid also will follow? That's it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Devi bhai, actually,
I,
in my university, we also providing 10 marks for only attendance. If any student in attendance, 75%, university is going to give 10 marks. And for that 10 marks, students are, very much interested to attend the class, because they know that is very important marks for them. And also they can pass by using that marks. So I think attendance should be compulsory, but I have also given example in case of BTech and something like course. In last semester, you can give some relaxation because they are searching job, they are making project. That's why. Otherwise, I think there should be mandatory. Okay. So Dhruv bhai, now this is your because we have already spoken.
Before going to Dhruv, I let me tell you one thing.
No,
Okay,
no.
when
I want to speak more today. I will only make 2.5
no,
points that you guys
yes,
can
yes.
carry on.
Okay.
Just 1 minute, Dhruv. Just 1 minute. Actually, see, when I was in the 12th, I never went to college. Miss, okay, what are the? I totally depends upon the institution, the classes. I totally depends upon only except that the practical knowledge. Okay, so I went because it was a compulsory for us. Practical attendance was a compulsory, but theory classes it was not a compulsory. So I never went. Okay, that I wanted to update. Yeah, Dhruv, continue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. According to me, school attendance must be compulsory if we want make discipline in when they are just under the age of 18. Maybe they will do something else that is not good for the just because they are not more mature. They don't know about what is wrong and what is right about themselves. That's why sometimes parents also need to force. Like in my childhood, I always pressurized too much to go school, to take coaching classes, but now I'm happy about that. Even I'm not going to do the same with my kids or my younger one, but yeah, still I'm happy just because I learned something. Now I have more interest on mathematics just because my teacher is called it too much and they're also beaten me, so I could study at that time. Okay, so I think when we were in a school, I mean when we are in school, it's okay to pressurize. Also, it's okay, must be compulsory. And there is a compulsion. If you're going to school, you have to go. You don't have any option. You can't bunk. You can't go leave after 1 and 2 classes. Okay, but in the case of college, I think we need to give some freedom to student, just because that's simple thing. Okay, even nowadays we have a kind of criteria of 75% marks, but what's going, I mean the result is what we still have unskilled student, more than I think 90 and 80% if I'm going to talk about engineering student, and there is very few skill if I will talk about non-technical students. Some students like who are doing BCA and MBA, they are BCA and BBA MBA, they are little bit more skillful in terms of their presentation and their speaking, but rest of the student I don't think so. Just because whenever we are in college, we are mature enough to think about what is wrong and what is bad, and if I'm going college, what can I get, and if I'm not going college, so what I will lose. Okay, so it definitely, I mean, we don't need to pressurize and to give 75% attendance, but like Mr. Pradeep has mentioned, if someone is coming, we give like 10 marks, so we can not only in terms of marks, but also we can create some another thing for the students, so they can, at least they can show interest. Okay, this is the reason that I'm going to college. If they are only going to college to just fulfill their 75% attendance, so what happened in college? They are going college, okay, but they are not taking actual classes. They are just sitting at the last bench and they are using their mobile phone. Teacher can't also tell them all the time. They also tell you, now you are enough mature, you can think about yourself. That's why in some classes teacher definitely scold and they are too much strict, but in some classes it's not true. So it's okay, and not 75%, I think 50% is more than enough for any student. And it is also totally depend on college to college. Just tell me, if teacher is only coming and they are giving you kind of knowledge, just cram whole book, so you can get 90%, 85%. It has nothing to do with your reality and the job that you are going to do. It will help you. So why student would love to go there? Now he's only a pressure about attendance and his parents that, oh, I have to go college, but in reality he's getting nothing in terms of education. Another thing is matter college, like curriculum activities, that is most important thing. Like a student also need to go college so he can participate in different things. That's why sometimes it is important to go college, just because it develop overall personality of that particular student. But just imagine, we know in our India, and especially in MP, UP, and Bihar, the engineering college totally sucks. I mean, and also we have talked in one session that about the practical thing. And Mr. Pradeep has made the point that even if we are willing to give some practical to our students, they are not willing to do. Even if we have lab skill, they don't want to do practical. So sometimes it will also depend on a student that they are willing to do practical or not. But according to me, definitely it is, we have to leave uh, on them that either they want to go college or not. And also when it comes about engineering, what happens in our after third year and final year? We can go for internship. This must be changed. And what should be done? At least just leave on the student if he has knowledge. Just take an example of uh, computer science student. Now a kid who is at the age of 10, he also know how to code. He also know about Python, and he know about C++, and he know about C, just because he has learned it. Okay, so definitely a student who has knowledge, if he want to go for internship, college must be allowed. They don't need to force a criteria about 75%, just because if he is going that particular class, he is getting nothing. So he know about better himself that if I will go for either internship or he can join another crash course. And some students do, this is the reason, that's why they join another crash course, another programming classes. They are not rely totally on college studies. Just because even a teacher who is teaching you coding, if it comes about the writing in actual computer, he won't able to run a single code. Maybe I'm not talking about all the students, they are all the teacher, but it happens. Even I have listened and I have seen in engineering college, teacher is teaching you, they are trying to cram you some codes, especially in diploma and also sometime in degree. But when it comes about the same code to run in a computer, they are finding so difficult. And the reason is simple, just because it's not going on in a practical way. So that's why it is totally dependent on college to college. If college is giving something to student, then it is a right of college. Okay, just not only put 75%, puts 100% attendance criteria. So the student, so you can create a better student. But if you don't have to give anything to your student, only in the name of attendance, it is not a good idea to fit a criteria. So students are not learning anything. At least now they don't have option to go for internship. For other courses, they can't even go for part-time job. So it is totally depend on institution. But in school, we must. In college, it depends.
Okay, Dhruv, actually, I'm not agree with with some point. You know why? Because
Point that I made.
and if they are not getting anything, then why they are attending the classes? So this is not matter. Okay, if
Yeah,
you
right.
class, definitely you are going to get something. First day you are doing nothing, second day you are doing nothing, but at least when you are going to attend 1 week of class, definitely you will learn something new. Okay, because suppose I am teaching something, definitely after some time you think, yes, just let me listen the lecture to what teacher is teaching. So if you are not attending the class, then how you can learn anything? Okay, and also if yes, Devi bhai.
No,
So
if students are if
did I
students are
tell
very much interested to
did I
learn,
tell
right,
that
definitely teacher will not step back. The teacher will interest to teach whatever
Yes,
the
it's
students is
also
interested. The
depend
main
upon the
thing is,
student. The student are interested to learn or not. If suppose you are
yeah,
not
correct.
interested to learning, what will teacher do? Teacher is just
exactly?
Teacher
teaching.
will,
Because in the
yeah,
class, suppose there are 50 students, definitely there are 3 to 4 students who are very much interested to learn. So teacher only focus on those students who are interested to learn. And suppose you are backbencher and you are talking to each other, teacher is not going to focus on you, because if he or
Yeah.
she is going to focus on you, means he or she is wasting their time. So teacher only focus those students who are very much interested. And every class, at least you can find 5 to 10 students who are very much interested to learn. Okay,
Yeah.
in your practical life also you can find, yes, what we used to say GMT, something like that. But GMT student means those students who are very much interested to learn, and some student, who sit on the back bencher and talking to each other. So there are three types of student in every class. So teacher focus on those students who are interested to learn. So we can't deny this. Okay, we are going to
and
attend
end of the day,
yes.
yeah, and we should see the result, right? When the end of the day, on the end of the year, right, we can see which college is done better, which college not done better. So definitely the parents will admit their children in good school or education, where the result oriented school. Definitely it will comes to matter, right? If they
Yes.
not teach well to student, how they will perform well? What is the future
Right.
of their institution?
We can see the future nowadays. And I have question for Mr. Pradeep. If I made a wrong statement, I want to correct. But I want to ask: did I say that students don't need to go college? Did I make such kind of a statement like you told me, if they are not going to college students, so how they can learn something? So did I make such kind of a statement that I'm just opposing students, they don't need to go college? I'm just telling
Dhruv bhai, basically you are talking in concern of today. When you are going to talk, 5 years before, then you can find yes, college, attending college is very important. Now we have technological improvement. We can get Zoom classes, something like today. During the pandemic situation, we have faced many diseases. Now we can learn anything online. That is other thing. But when you are going to compare before 10 years, definitely you are agree. Yes, we must go to college to attend the classes. Maybe after 5 days, 10 days, we are not going to attend any university and college. We can learn anything online. Maybe it will be happen after 5 to 10 years. This is going to happen.
Yeah.
There is no need of any.
Even like nowadays, I think attendance is not a concern for first year student. It is a concern after first year. In first year, no matter they are from technical or non-technical, they all are eager to join the classes. They join every single class and every single teacher that is teaching well or not. It happens. I mean, in first year, they all are eager to join.
But
in second year,
Dhruv bhai, discipline starts from the first day, not from the 10th day. If you want to make a student be in discipline, then you have to impose all the rules and regulations from the first day. If you are going to give some relaxation in first year, definitely in second year you are going to face some difficulty issue. You can't handle, because student used to complain in first year you just give us freedom and now you are imposing some rules and regulations. That is not okay. And if you are talking about online classes, must be a solution of that. You have to attend some amount of online classes, then you can eligible for giving any paper. So I think attendance is compulsory everywhere, whether you are going to attend the online classes, whether you are going to do something. Because actually I have attended a class during the COVID-19 period, that was contact tracing of COVID-19 by Coursera. There is a limitation. Every class you have to give a paper. If you are going to pass that paper, then you will move forward to next session. Okay, so there is a process.
Assignment kind of paper.
Yes. Okay, so I think actually I'm not totally agree with. I think attendance should be mandatory, but in case of fourth year, if you're talking about BTech student and if you're talking about management student in final year, at least we can give some relaxation, because that is a very crucial for them, because in that year they try to search the job and making some project. So we can give some relaxation in fourth year, but till third year, because if what happened there, Dhruv bhai, just we can take example of this Zoom meeting. If we are attending daily, definitely we are learning something. Okay, I am not saying we are learning 100%, but at least we are getting 5% or 6%, you can say. So same as in class. If I am going to attend the class, definitely I can get 1%, 2%, 3% at least. So I think this is my view. There should be some criteria for attendance. I am not saying there should be.
What about the rest of the percent? I'm agree with you. Even if I'm going every single week, I will definitely
actually
get
I am speaking against that term when you are saying that if a student is going in the college, he or she is not getting anything. My point is that if any student attending the class, definitely he is going to get 5%, 10%. I am not talking about 100%. At least if that student is spending their time outside the class, he is going to get nothing, nothing. But he is attending the class, maybe he or she can get 10 to 20%. Okay, that's what I am saying. Okay, Devi bhai, Bala bhai, yes.
Yeah.
So actually, Pradeep bhai, I want to tell you one thing as my experience. Okay, when I was doing engineering, okay, so it was the compulsory, means to attend the class, it was the compulsory for us. But when we were getting a PL, so what we used to do, we means I was dividing a subject, means every per semester we had a 5 subjects. So I was giving the 3 days for each subject. Okay, so for me 3 days was enough to do a full study of that particular subject.
Amit bhai, actually in BTech now there is one concept: one night, one night fight. Everyone just pass their BTech degree only by studying one night. Okay, nobody is
Yes,
going to
yes,
study
yes.
whole month or 2 months. I have done my MTech,
Then,
only by reading of
uh,
one night. In night,
so
just
then the question is arise, means why they have made it's compulsory attendance, why they have made it compulsory.
because they are focusing,
Because
at least you attend the class, learn something. Okay, that's why. Because we have example of Devi Bhai. Devi Bhai is a topper of that school and that college doing his BTech. He has scored 90% marks. That's why
okay,
you can ask Devi Bhai.
okay,
Devi Bhai, please
okay.
repeat your sentence, whatever you have said. Yes.
No,
I
no, no.
want to know. I want
Yes.
to know. I want to
No,
know
I'm.
from Devi Bhai. Even if he got just 90%, that's really great. Congratulations. Now in future,
No, no, no.
but
I'm actually.
I think you can already get, even if you are doing that study at your home. In terms of 90% marks, I'm only talking.
Okay, Devi Bhai, please.
Yeah, so I'm not first bench student. I was in last bench because there only we should learn all the things other than study. But definitely, so I was also not interested to study when first morning, first of the class. But as and when time flies, right, we should see the surrounding
Yeah.
and how the competition and all, how the things are, and how we can see the graduated person who is getting good job in good companies. Definitely, it's good. We should see ourselves, right, where we should be
Right.
after 5 years, or definitely that time we should get motivated and start learning. That is the time we should learn. We should not work, or
We
that's
change
we
also our
don't
perspective.
yeah,
Whenever we, like
perspective
the
we will
point that
change.
Mr. Pradeep has made, we change even if we are in class. Sometimes if it's okay, we are not getting in terms of particular the subject, but we are actually expanding our perspective by listening other people, by listening teacher. Some stories are also there, and some students are
Mm.
also there. So
Especially
in
coming
this
from
point,
humble background, especially coming from humble
Mhm.
background, this is for need, right, for to prove
Yeah,
ourselves. Yeah, that is all.
but we need to improve more and more. I mean, too much. I mean, not more, too much
Actually,
things to
Dhruv
improve.
Bhai, when we study any classroom, basically that time we do not feel ki
Yeah.
what is going to be happen in future. But when nowadays,
Mhm.
suppose I have done my BTech in 2005, MTech in 2013. Now I am sitting here. When I think about my past life, then I realized ki I should be focusing
Mhm.
in my classroom. If I
Even
should,
even I also about to say that. Yeah, I regretting now
yes,
that I did correct.
yes,
Yes.
correct. I am saying I am regretting now.
Yeah.
If that
Yeah.
time I focus in my study, so maybe that time I will be a higher position. But I think uh, we can't do anything now. So I
We
think
have time.
yes,
Hmm.
We have
You,
time to.
we cannot wipe out our past now.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's why I'm saying ki
In
yes.
this part,
At least what we do at back mention nothing. We are just discussing, just passing something in regular thing to each other and making fun of the student. But just think about the student who sit on the front benches. Teacher also like them. Now they are at good position because they are very much interested to learn what teacher is asking and what the teacher is telling, and we are just making fun of everything. And that is not okay. Now today we are regretting for that. What we have done that time, we should attend the class with no, it was you can say as much interested, then we can get many
So
things.
so you feel that regret? You should have attended all classes.
no,
What
no,
you
no.
miss?
I didn't feel regret just because at that time of the mindset that even we know what is good for us, but at that time we want something else. Okay, and that's why we are here. I mean, at that time we
What,
know.
something else means
Okay,
what? No, no. Something else means what?
something else means we also have to become a famous. We also need some. I think it's recording, so I don't want to say something more. But there are some also this. You know,
No. Pradeep
so
bhai will
we
edit this.
want to create.
Last final
Uh,
session.
We want to create balance on everything. I mean, the thing that if we want to become
Attraction.
better and master and successful, anything, we need to focus one thing. Okay, but at that time, we have to maintain to our girlfriend, we have to maintain to our family, we have to maintain money, and also the people around us, and also we are thinking too much. We thinking too much that maybe I will do this, I'm working too hard or like that. But we are not actually implementing. Sometimes we have excuse, sometimes we have inconsistency, and there are so many lot of reasons. And that particular mindset, even I think now Mr. Amit bro and Pradeep and like Mr. Devi bro, you all are too much consistent and you know what you have to do. So no matter you have to do work at night, you will do. But it's not going to happen in our college days. And when it comes about especially studies like we are studying for whole 1 week and next week little bit inconsistency. I mean the perfect region. We didn't have at that time perfect region and actual region. So that's how we are, I think, we are not focusing in any specific area. And that's why after me, it has of no use just because the mindset of that particular, even if you will go again in that age, that you will do the same. You will do the same. And now, at least now we are more aware. If we are more aware, so now we can do. Take example of KFC owner. He just got success after 65 years, 70 years. So I think success is not a matter of age. It is only the thing that we are going to focus nowadays on which part. So that's why we don't need to regret. Instead of just, if you didn't do at that time, yes, definitely like Samik Jam and all those things, but we can do something better also nowadays. That's why I didn't have any regret from, even I did so many mistakes and I wasted a lot of time also.
Okay, Dhruv bhai, we have no time now. So Amit bhai and Devi bhai,
I can understand.
Meeting because we have no time, only 15 seconds left. So thank you guys for attending this. Thank you and good night.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Good night. Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Thank you, Dhruv bhai, for
Thanks all.
speaking
Good
so
night.
much this time. Thank you, Dhruv bhai.
Please come daily, okay? Please come daily.
Dhruv has spoken much today.
Yes.
I would like